Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy to use video making tool that requires almost zero video editing skills. And after watching this 10-minute video, you should be able to use it instantly. So if you are an online course creator, want to make some tutorial videos, or you want to make some social media videos for YouTube, TikTok or Instagram, this tool is for you. It has some amazing features. For example, you can change the background of your video. You can put a border around your video. You have some video sizes for almost every social media platform that you can choose and start making a video. You can change your mouse style. You have some fancy mouse effects. But the best part or the best feature of this software that I like the most is the zoom effect, because I make tutorial videos for my online courses where sometimes I have to zoom at a particular part of my screen. And if you have made a few videos, you will understand that making this zoom effect during the video editing process requires a lot of work. But with this video maker, you can get a zoom effect with just a few clicks of your mouse, as I am going to show you in a minute. It's very easy. So if you are looking for a video maker that you can use almost instantly, then watch this video and download FocuSee for free. FocuSee is the name of this video maker. So without further ado, let me show you how you can get this and how to use it. These are some of the key features of FocuSee. Some I have already explained. You can pause the video and you can read. But basically this software is available for both Windows and Mac operating system, and after completing the video, you can export and save to your computer, as well as you can save to Jemu Cloud. Jemu is the parent company. They also provide you online storage to store your videos. And I have previously made 3 videos about Jemu products that you can watch on my channel. Now to download, you type jemu.com in your browser and you will reach this website, where in the middle you can see a free download button for FocuSee. If not, you can click on these products and at the top you will see FocuSee. So when you download, you will get this file. You click on that, the software will install, and this is the icon. And now I want to start the software, so I click on that and then I see this screen. There are 3 different ways you can start recording your video: full screen, custom. Custom means that if I want to record only a part of my screen, I will select that portion. And then I can also record a window. So if you have opened multiple windows and you want to record any specific window, you can also select the window. On the right hand side, you can select your camera at the top, your microphone and your speakers. If I click on this camera section, you can see all of my cameras, my Logitech C920, my laptop camera. But because I am recording with my Logitech C920, which I have placed in the middle of my laptop, so my integrated camera is behind Logitech, so I cannot select any of these cameras at the moment, but you can choose one from this section. Now let me show you an example how to record video using FocuSee. So assume that this is a slide, a math puzzle that I want to explain in my video to my students, where I will be zooming in various parts of my screen. So I click on this custom icon and then I select the part of my screen that I want to show in my video. So I select this math puzzle by clicking and dragging just like that. And then I release my left mouse button and immediately I see a bar at the bottom with a red button. This is the video recording button. So when I click on this button, a timer will start, and after countdown, video recording will be started. So let's do that. 3, 2, 1, 0. And now we are in the video. So assume that I explain to my students how they will be solving this math puzzle from start to finish. And then in this part of the video on the right hand side, I want to zoom in and out. To do that, I simply have to put my mouse there and click, left click. And a zoom action has been stored in the video that I'm going to show you in a minute. Now let us finish this recording. So I click on this. And now we are in the video. And this is the video. Video has been recorded successfully, and now I am removing myself from the screen and I will show you some of the amazing features of FocuSee. So let me maximize this. So on the left hand side, on the top, you can see that these are different layouts and video sizes that are available. So if I select one by one, I can change the video size even after the recording. As you can see, this is 4:3, this is 9:16 vertical format. But for vertical videos, you have to plan your things differently. My intention for this video was 16:9, which is this one. Then in the custom section, as you can see that there are YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. There are many options for you to choose from. After that, you have this padding section. If I decrease the padding, as you can see, padding is being decreased, and you can increase the padding around your selected area when you started the video. Then we have this inset feature, which is really cool. If I increase the inset, as you can see that a beautiful border appears around my slide, which looks fantastic. Then we have this roundness. We can increase or decrease the roundness of this border as well as the slide, as you can see. And if you don't want this border, you can only have the roundness on your slide. You can also increase or decrease the shadows. As you can see, there is a slight shadow around the border area, which gives a 3D impression. Then you can choose different backgrounds. As you can see here, plain and some design like this, which gives really cool effects to your videos. Then on the left hand side, if I click on this arrow, I can choose various mouse styles. Then we also have some mouse click effects like default, ripple. Now the best part is the zoom effect. You can see a plus sign under my timeline. If I want to zoom at this point, I simply can click even after the recording. And now if I play this, so as you can see during this part, my video zooms in and then zooms out. On the right hand side, we have this slider. With this, you can zoom in or out of your timeline. For example, if I move this to left, all of my timeline is now visible. And these are the parts where I clicked during the recording. So you can click during the recording to zoom in, or better, if you use the zoom feature after the recording where you want to zoom. So you can get zoom effect during the recording or after the recording. And you can increase the length of the zoom effect. So let me stop this voice. And if you want more control on which part of the screen you want to zoom in, on the left hand side, you have this screen and a dot. So you can place this dot anywhere. So if I select this zoom and I move this dot towards top of my screen at this place, as you can see that now the zoom will happen in this area where I have selected this dot. So you have so much control on this zoom effect very easily. So if I move this now, as you can see that the zoom effect was happening in this area. So let me show you once again. This part of my screen was zoomed in and zoom out. And finally, when you want to export and make a video, you click on this export and you can choose 720p or 1080p, 2K or 4K resolution, and you have MP4 format. And if I click on export now, as you can see that video is being exported. It will take a few seconds depending on the length of your video. So this is 80-second video, as you can see here, and it took about 20 seconds. And now my video is in this folder. You can note this folder. There is a FocuSee folder that will automatically be created when you install the software. And now if I want to play the video, I click on that. And now we are in the video. As you can see, it is so easy to create video using FocuSee. So I think currently they are promoting this product and you can freely use it. But there is also a price plan. If I click on pricing, you can get this software with a one-time purchase price of $69.99. So if you are after a very easy to use video maker, then this is the one. I have used many other video editors, but this is the most easy to use video maker that I have ever used. And I think that this demonstration has already shown you. So I hope you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.